In this part, we will see how to create and format a bar chart. We will also see how to add our logo as the background of the chart. Here are the simple steps to create a bar chart. We have a table in Excel. Number 1. Enter month-wise sales and profit. Number 2. Select the entire table including headers. Number 3. Go to the Insert tab. Number 4. Click Column Chart. Number 5. Choose a 3D clustered columns. Your chart appears. Now we will see how to format and beautify a chart. A beautiful chart impresses the users and helps to build a smart business report. The next part is formatting the chart. Follow the simple steps. Number 1. Click to select the first sales bar. Number 2. Go to the Home tab. Number 3. Click the fill color icon and pick a color. Number 4. Repeat for the other sales bars. Number 5. Do the same steps for all profit bars. The next part is adding logo as background. It is easy to add a logo as a background of the chart. Follow these simple steps. Number 1. Double click the chart. Number 2. Open fill options. Number 3. Choose picture or texture fill. Number 4. Click Insert and select your logo. The logo appears as background. You may adjust the size as needed.